Welcome back to the Tulsa Madman YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping in. The Eagle has landed. We have stuffed those 275/60s on those 15 by 10 inch US Indy mags under the back of that car. Some cutting and some assembly may be required. We cut some stuff, we look at some stuff, mock the back seat up again. You'll see that it's been stripped. Mom came down, helped me out. She's been in upholstery for about 20 years now, so she kind of helped me take those apart. I didn't film that. We were both kind of into the moment at the time, but we've got the seats stripped down. If we keep the back seat, it's definitely going to need to be narrowed. You'll see all that in the video. Kind of a short video. Really don't know what else to say other than, man, this thing looks tougher than a 10-cent steak with that wheel and tire stuffed onto the back. I made a change at the last minute from the 15 by 8.5 inch centerline auto drags. Found some really nice ones, but unfortunately they were just a little bit too narrow for me. I wanted that 10-inch look, that big fat lip, and I found them one night on Craigslist Marketplace. You'll see them. I'm really proud about them. Yeah, I'm stoked. That's all you can say. I'm stoked. So, check the video out. And, of course, some dags at the end there. Enjoy. If you don't already subscribe, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell if you'd like to see when I post a new video. And give me a thumbs up. Show some brothers some love. Take it easy, fellas. Until next time. Yes, sir. Got me a fresh death wheel. You know what time it is. Cut lines laid out. We're getting ready to take this whole little piece up. That's what's happening. No tripod, so you don't get to watch. It's loud and annoying anyway, so I'll show you the progress in a minute. You shut your face when you're talking to me. Okay, this is the stance I want. This is 5.5 inches from the front edge of from the rocker here to the ground. Got 5.5 inches of ground clearance. That's about what we want. Of course, it's going to set in about an inch. It needs to go back a little bit, but the way the tub is inside right now, I can't make it go back that little bit. Hey guys, the dog showed up to check it out. Like I said, I want to go back a little bit more, but I can't. I think that's my center line right there. You can tell it's not lined up, but that's what I've got. That's not the original center line, but that is the new center line, I believe. What do you guys think? I don't know. All this room for activities in here, though, huh? That is bottomed out in the tub. I don't know if Cash likes it or not. Yeah, so the window rolls down to the end of that track. If I bottom it in the tub, that'll give me about 3.5, 4 inches of clearance. That's plenty, right? Yeah. Whack, whack. All right, so here's the back seat in. That's about what we're working with there. And of course, the back window rolls down to this area right here. So we can go up quite a bit. I mean, we got quite a bit of room for activities. That's just a 275/60 on a 15 by 10. I do want to be able to run a 12, so we're probably going to come over somewhere right around in here when we start the tub building begin. And boy, when they hear me talk, they get fired up. Hi, boys. Are you good, boys? Huh? Are you good, boy? Of course you're good, boys. They like Daddy's new hot rod. Well, like I said, there's the back seat in it. Leaf springs. My crossbar is going to run right about here. So about with the B pillar. It's 26 inches from the center line of the axle to where the bolt for the U-bolts or for the front mounts will be. So that's where we'll do our 2x3 there. The windows come out easy. Not in bad shape for a car that's this old. Does anybody else have a 75-pound cat dog? Just kicking it with Nana this morning. Good boy.